Using a prying tool, carefully detach the air conditioning panel. Then, disconnect the wiring harness from the back. With a screwdriver, simply remove the 2 screws holding this in place. Remove the OEM radio and disconnect all the wiring harnesses. Attach the retaining clips from the original radio to the new head unit to ensure a secure fit. Now, it's time to connect the necessary wiring harnesses inside the car. These 2 small ports are for the original USB cable. We'll now connect these 2 cables. Here are the 2 cables we'll be working with. You'll notice one has 4 pins, and the other has 6 pins. If your car only has one original USB port, you only need to connect one USB cable. Here are the 2 extended USB cables that come with the unit. We'll be using these for connection. These cables are designed to reach the passenger glove compartment, providing convenient access to your devices. For this demonstration, we'll be connecting both original USB ports in the car, as it has 2 available. Now, it's time to connect the wiring harness from the original car radio. This versatile cable is designed with 2 different connector shapes. Please pay attention if your vehicle is equipped with this particular interface. Time to get the audio working. We'll now connect the single radio cable. Please pay attention if your vehicle's original radio uses this larger type of connector. In that case, locate the black connector on the power harness and connect it there. It's worth noting that certain car models come equipped with a built-in radio amplifier. So first make sure to know if your car has the amplifier or not. This connection is only necessary if your car has this specific feature. Otherwise, you can safely skip this step. No need to worry about these 2 ports. They're not needed for this installation, so you can simply set them aside. Connecting the power harness is easy. The connectors are designed to fit together based on their size, ensuring a secure and correct connection. Here, we have the input for the original backup camera. Time to get your rear view camera working. Connect the plug labeled camera to the backup camera cable we've included. Here, we have the connector for the car's factory-installed right side camera. Now, we'll connect the backup camera cable. Find the cable labeled "Our Camera" and plug it into the CVBS IN1 connector on the RCA cable harness. This port you see here is specifically for the power cable. Let me show you how to connect it correctly. Here, we have the power cable that supplies power to the radio amplifier. Let's get your AC working. We'll now show you how to connect the air conditioning control cable. Let's find the right cables. Look for these 2 within the power harness. For this connection, we'll be using the connector on the right to connect the air conditioning control cable. Make sure to connect all of these cables on the power harness for proper functionality. Time to bring it all together. We'll now connect the cables to our head unit and get it up and running. You'll see a cable at the bottom of the unit. This is the connection for the airbag warning light. Connect it to this gray and white cable. And with that, we're ready to go. The final step is connecting the power cable to bring the unit to life. Now please pay close attention to this detail. For vehicles with fiber optic audio, you'll need to connect this amplifier box. If your car doesn't have fiber optic audio, this connection is not needed. Connect this white connector to the corresponding port in your car. Connect the AUX-IN cable to the RCA-FR out on the RCA cable. The final step is to carefully reinstall the unit and thoroughly test all the features to ensure everything is functioning as expected.